What is affiliate marketing? Put simply, affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. Let's see how affiliate marketing works and how you can earn money from it. And at the end, as usual, we will see how much money you can earn and whether it can become a good income source in your journey for $10,000 a month. Stay tuned, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit that button. How affiliate marketing works. Affiliate marketing is the process of earning money, commissions, every time you promote a company's products or services and drive a sale. You only get paid every time you generate a sale, just like a commission-only sales representative. Let's introduce some basic notions that will help you understand the process better. Advertiser. The advertiser is the owner of the product or service that is going to be sold through affiliate marketing. This can be a large enterprise or a solo entrepreneur. The product or service can be anything, from fashion items to magazine subscriptions or online classes. Publisher or affiliate. The affiliate marketer or publisher is the person, or sometimes company, that markets the advertiser's products or services to potential customers. They will receive a fee for promoting the goods through their own network and online presence. For every sale they make, the advertiser pays them a commission. Customer is the final beneficiary of the product. When the customer buys a service or product via the affiliate and the advertiser share the profit. Let's see how it works effectively. The affiliate or publisher promotes the advertiser's product or service on their own website, blog, or social media page. When a customer clicks on the affiliate's link, a cookie is stored in the customer's browser. The customer is redirected to the advertiser's website. The customer makes a purchase on the advertiser's website. Because of the cookie, the affiliate platform knows where the sale came from and pays the affiliate their commission for the sale. The most important channels of affiliate marketers. Affiliates are constantly evaluating the finest methods to engage their audience and encourage them to make a purchase. Not all affiliate marketers operate through the same channels. Affiliate marketers often utilize the following marketing channels. Bloggers. A good blogger ranks well in Google, and this means that he or she will reach a large number of prospective consumers. Bloggers frequently try the advertiser's product or service and write a detailed review that promotes the product in an enticing way. This persuades the blog's readers to make a purchase. The blogger is then compensated for each sale generated by his blog. Cashback websites. These websites facilitate the cashback that a consumer might receive after completing a purchase. What is the procedure for this? The cashback website is an associate partner of the e-commerce businesses for whom they provide cashback. When a customer purchases through the cashback site, it earns a commission. The cashback sites then return a portion of their commission to the consumer. The website basically split its commission with the consumer, which is how the cashbacks are paid for. There aren't even cashback websites that give you 100% of their commission as cashback. Influencers. An influencer is someone who has a big number of internet followers that they can impact. An influencer has a fantastic opportunity to become an affiliate. They already have a huge following, so directing customers to the advertising products or services is very simple. They can do so through their social media profile, blog, or website. Reaching an audience is one of the most difficult aspects of affiliate marketing, yet an influencer already has one. The most common types of payment for affiliate marketers. Anyone looking to increase their online income should consider affiliate marketing. Because you don't have to own a product or service, it's generally viewed as a quick and affordable method to make money online. It is not as simple as one may think. You must bring a lot of attention to the advertiser's product or services. To make a lot of money in affiliate marketing, you need to have a huge internet following. The affiliate is compensated for each action taken by a customer. Let's go through the most frequent ways for an affiliate marketer to be compensated. Pay per sale. The pay per sale model is the industry norm. The advertiser pays the affiliate a portion of the selling price each time the affiliate makes a sale. This amount varies depending on the product, but it is often fixed at approximately 10% of the retail price. The affiliate earns $10 for every $100 sale, while the advertiser receives $90. Advertisers like this payment approach because they only have to pay money when an affiliate makes a sale. Because of the no cure, no pay technique, it is the safest alternative for the advertiser. Pay per click. The affiliate's aim in the pay-per-click system is to lead customers to the advertiser's website. For the advertiser, each click results in a website visitor. The affiliate must encourage as many people as possible to visit the advertiser's website. The affiliate gets compensated depending on the increase in traffic to the advertiser's website. Because a click is easier to obtain than a lead or a sale, this structure pays the least to the affiliate. Pay per lead. The pay per lead or PPL model is less popular because a lead does not always guarantee income for the advertiser. In this arrangement, the affiliate is compensated for each lead generated for the advertiser. A lead is someone who visits an advertiser's website and does a certain action, such as signing up for a newsletter, a free trial, or completing a contact form. This structure is used when the advertiser's objective is anything other than sales, such as collecting email addresses to deliver newsletters to. Because the pay-per-lead structure does not result in direct purchases, the affiliate commission is frequently smaller than it is with pay-per-sale. How can you make good money from affiliate marketing? Yes, you can make money through affiliate marketing. Good money. And yes, you can even make money while you sleep. Step 1. Create content that has the potential to generate affiliate revenue. Your target audience is someone who wants to buy a product but is unsure if it is worth it. It is your duty as an affiliate marketer to help consumers discover the correct product for their interests through high-quality content, assist them in making a purchasing choice, and then lead them to the product website to complete the transaction. Step 2. Promote your affiliate products in the content. The placement of your affiliate links will be decided by the type of content you are creating. It makes no sense to add affiliate links to 5 different products in a product review. The goal is to position your links as effectively as possible. Step 3. Generate a lot of traffic to that content. Now that you have the right content, you have to drive traffic to it. One way is to promote it on social media. Facebook pages, Facebook groups, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter. All of these are great ways to drive traffic to your content. Another way is to go and comment on other blogs and social media posts with the link to your content. Search engine optimization is a great way to drive traffic to your content and is considered the high ticket to any online marketing efforts. Is affiliate marketing a good income source as a passive income? Of course. Affiliate marketing can be one of the main sources of passive income for you. That's because once you build great traffic to your content, you can relax and see the process of traffic that turns into clicks, and then how the clicks turn into conversions, and the conversions turn into real money. How much money can you make from affiliate marketing? It may take some time to get to the point where you can generate a steady income through affiliate networks, so you should probably not quit your job right away. Typically, it takes anything from 6 months to several years to begin generating money with affiliate marketing. Your ability to generate excellent content, optimize for SEO, drive traffic, and market your affiliate items will determine your total success. Don't overlook the importance of active social media and email marketing. You will not become famous overnight. However, having the correct marketing plan and being constant in the promotion of affiliate stuff will get you to your desired revenue of $10,000 a month. The affiliate marketing industry is growing steadily. Statista reported that spending on affiliate marketing only in the US is expected to rise to $8.2 billion by 2022. There is definitely a space to grow and earn good money. Recently, STM Forum conducted a poll where they asked about affiliates' annual income, and you can see the results in this chart. In a broad sense, this graphic should give you an idea of how much revenue may fluctuate in affiliate marketing. As you can see, there are many bloggers and affiliate marketers earning less than $1,600 per month. However, there are others who make a lot of money. According to their monthly income, we can divide affiliates into total beginners who are only losing money at the moment, low-level affiliates who earn up to $300 a day, intermediate affiliates who earn from $300 up to $3,000 a day, high-level affiliates who earn above $3,000 a day. super affiliates, or as you can often find them being called, gurus of affiliate marketing, who make more than $10,000 every day. Affiliate marketing success is based on perseverance and a positive attitude. If you once earned $300 a day, you cannot expect that your profit will always be the same. There are several examples in affiliate marketing when people soared after generating a very small income for a long period. It all comes down to picking the right niche and strategy. And there are several examples of affiliate marketers who are generating a six-figure business from affiliate marketing. If you want to ask us more about affiliate marketing, please use the comments area and let's start a conversation. Maybe you can use some ideas and then start a great affiliate marketing passive income source.